I keep you swaying till the last dance. You can be my Mary Jane. The way your eyes burn right through me, with my hands around your waist, and all the ones that came before me, well, they weren't strong enough to stay. 'Cause the truth about a cowboy is the good ones don't always ride away. And I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone, till there's no whiskey left in honky tonks, until there ain't dirt roads and country songs, and steel guitars don't play. Yeah, when that crowd forgets and we're around, and you feel like those lights ain't shining down, I'll still be here, I'll still be hanging on, 'cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. Well, you say all good things have endings, but baby, that's just in the past. I don't care how many times you fail before, I just wanna be the last. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone, till there's no whiskey left in honky tonks, till there ain't dirt roads and country songs, and steel guitars don't play. Yeah, when that crowd forgets and we're around, and you feel like those lights ain't shining down, well, I'll still be here, I'll still be hanging on, 'cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. Well, these boots, they'll still be taking of me, long as you let me in these hands. They'll still be laying you down till the day they lay me down. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone, till there's no whiskey left in honky tonks, till there ain't dirt roads and country songs, and steel guitars don't play. And when that crowd forgets and we're around, and you feel like those lights ain't shining down, I'll still be here, I'll still be hanging on, 'cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone.
Let's learn Till the Neon's Gone. It's choreographed by Darren Bailey. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 9 after the first 8 counts, and following that restart will be a small step change to start the dance over again. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the step change, and then we're going to go through and do 10 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Till the Neon's Gone. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot to the right side. You're going to close your left foot next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a quarter turning chassé, making that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot to the left side, and you'll be facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your side close. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a weave quarter turn. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to do a quarter turning chasse to the right, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side. Step your left next to your right and step your right foot to the side, and you'll be facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We're facing 9 o'clock, weights on your left. We just finished our quarter turning chasse. You're going to do your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our left foot behind our right, recover onto our right foot and chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. You're now going to rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, rocking back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we are going to cross our left behind our right, and as you do this, you want to slightly bend your knees down. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and as you do that, you're going to straighten your knees. You're now facing 12 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. Step your right foot next to your left, and then you're going to sway your hips right, left. Or you can do a little wiggle, whichever one you like to do. I like to sway, but both are on that step sheet. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our chasse, weights on our right. You're going to cross your left behind your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weights on your left. You're stepping to the right. It's side, close, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter chasse. Now your weave. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, quarter chasse. Rock back, recover, chasse. Rock back, recover, chasse. Behind, quarter, step, half pivot, quarter, together, hip, hip. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, a trick to help you remember where all those turns are coming back to, when you finish the first 8 counts and you're facing your next wall, so we were facing 12 o'clock for our first wall, you did that quarter chasse to face 9 o'clock, the rest of the dance is going to come back to this wall. So whenever you're turning around, you're always going to come back to the wall that you started those turns on. So same thing when we do wall 2, when we're facing 9 o'clock, you'll be turning to face the back wall on that first 8 counts, and then the rest of the dance will come back to the back wall. So as long as you can remember where you start the last part of the dance, then you can remember how to get back and where you're ending. So where you start section 2 is where you're going to finish section 4, coming back to that wall every time. So now let's talk about the restart. You'll be doing wall 9, which is our front facing wall or our 12 o'clock wall. It will be the 3rd time we come back to the front. You're going to do the first 8 counts of the dance. So we're going to do our side, close, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter chasse. Right here, instead of restarting with our normal step of stepping to the side, you're going to change that by doing 2 walks forward. So we're going to replace our side close with walk right, left. So you're going to step right, left, and then you're going to continue on with the dance from the shuffles all the way through. So you do your right shuffle, left rock, recover, quarter chasse into your weave quarter turn, and your half pivot, and your quarter chasse, rock back, recover chasse, rock back, recover chasse, your behind quarter step, half, quarter, together, hip, hip. And then you will start the next wall. So you're gonna be restarting what would have been our next wall anyways, so the rest of the dance continues in the normal way. You don't have to worry about anything else after you do that restart with the step change. The dance naturally ends facing 12 o'clock after your 2 hips, so you don't even have to worry about changing walls. So let's practice that restart and step change all the way through with some counts. Weight is on your left, we're stepping to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 walks, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice that transition from the restart on the front wall to those 2 steps going into your wall 10. Weight is on your left. We're stepping to the right. It's right. Close right, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter chasse, weave, cross, side, behind, quarter half pivot, quarter chasse, rock back, recover chasse, rock back, recover chasse, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, quarter together, hip, hip side together, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, close, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter chasse, now your weave, quarter turn, cross, side, behind, quarter, half pivot, quarter chasse, rock back, recover chasse, rock back, recover chasse, behind quarter, half pivot, quarter together in your hips. Now your side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, close right, shuffle, rock, recover, quarter chasse. Now your weave, quarter turn, half pivot, quarter chasse, rock back chasse, behind quarter, half pivot, quarter together, now your hips, side together, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, shuffle, rock, recover, quarter chasse, now your weave, quarter turn, half pivot, quarter chasse, rock back, recover chasse, rock back, recover chasse, behind quarter, half pivot, quarter together in your hips, side together, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts. Side, close, shuffle, rock, recover, quarter chasse. Now your 2 walks, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance all the way through to the end of the song and end facing 12 o'clock with your 2 hips And there will be a few counts at the end after your 2 hips where you can just wait until the song ends. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Till the Neon's Gone. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I keep you swaying till the last dance. You can be my Mary Jane.